Welcome back, everybody. And thanks to all of you who have subscribed, liked and commented on my channel so far. I should make 500 subscribers this week, and I appreciate every bit of support you have given me. Today's video is a little different. I found a cool little way to make designs that you can do in either Affinity Designer or, like I have, in Affinity Photo. I really love to make these images, but I haven't found a particularly useful application. So, if anyone has any suggestions of what to do with them, please let me know. Otherwise, just watch so you can enjoy making them like I do. I'll start with the basic concept, which takes advantage of a feature of the duplicate process. If you click Command or Control J to duplicate a layer and then move that layer, Affinity Photo and Designer remember the movement. If you then duplicate the copy you just made, Affinity will assume you want to move subsequent copy in the same manner. For example, I just duplicated the word duplicate here. I will then rotate the copy 15 degrees and click Command or Control J to duplicate it again. Notice that the next word is rotated and the next until the word goes completely round in a circle. By the way, here's a tip. If you hold the Shift key while rotating an object, the object will rotate in 15-degree increments that kind of feel like little clicks. This means that 6 clicks is 45 degrees and 24 clicks is a complete circle. You can do this with shapes too. I'll show you again on this square. And you can also do it with images like this eye here. In this case, I'm actually only going to use the right half of the eye as the left half has a big reflection on it. Then I'll embed it on a diamond shape. To do this, I'll use my freehand selection tool located on the left-hand toolbar to select the area I want to keep. I'll go to Edit Cut and then paste the selection back into a new layer. Then, I'll right-click on the background layer and select Delete. With the eye cutout selected, I'll click Command or Control J to duplicate the layer. Then, I'll right-click on the layer, scroll down to Transform and select Flip Horizontal. Next, I'll line these two up so it looks like one reflection-free eye. Then, with the Selection tool, I'll drag a box over both sides to select them. I'll right-click on the layers and then select Merge Selected to merge them together. Okay, now I'm going to add a diamond shape across the eye. I'll center the eye and then I'll go to the Shape tool drop-down on the left-hand toolbar and select my diamond tool. Here's a tip. If you hold down the Command or Control key while dragging your shape into place, it will stay centered wherever you start. I want to round out the corners of my diamond, so I'll go to Layers in the menu bar and select Convert to Curves. As you can see, my cursor turns into the Node tool. If I drag it across the diamond shape, I can select all the corner nodes. Then, I'll select the Smooth button in the top toolbar to smooth out the diamond's curves. Then, I'll drag on the top and bottom nodes to stretch the shape out a little more vertically. Once I have it where I want it, I'll drag and drop the eye layer onto the shape layer to embed the image onto the shape. Next, I'll select the FX button at the bottom of my Layers panel and click on 3D, then check the box, and I'll move the radius slider up a bit to give my eye some shadows and highlights around the edges. Okay, here comes the fun part. I'll duplicate the eye by clicking Command or Control J. Now, with the duplicate layer selected and the Shift key held down, I'll rotate the eye 15 degrees or one little click. Then, I can just click Command or Control J a bunch of times until my eye has made it 180 degrees. Next, I'll select the top layer, hold Shift, and then select the bottom layer. This selects all the layers in between as well. I'll right-click on them and select Group, and then I'll right-click again to select Rasterize. This helps to reduce the file size and make it a bit easier to work with for the next part of the design. Now, I'll click Command or Control J to duplicate the layer. Then, with the Shift key held down, I'll rotate the top layer 15 degrees. Next, I'll grab the corner tool while holding the Command or Control key to make the duplicate layer larger from the center. Then, I'll go to the top toolbar and select the orange Send to Back button. After that, I'll just click Command or Control J and then send the layer to the back. I'll do this over and over again until I fill the whole canvas. And so yeah, there's my duplicate spiral eye effect. While I've got you, I'll let you know what I did for the ones I showed earlier. This is a double arrow shape. This is a stretched out donut shape. This is a star. And this was a cutout of red lips. Have fun with this, everyone, and have a great day.